Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Why is the cryptocurrency market going down? What is happening with the crypto? We are going to answer all of these questions with the latest data possible. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. I'm going to start actually with the Nasdaq. Okay, this is the Nasdaq Index right here, and what are we seeing is a nice little recovery on this weekly frame. We have a crazy oversold situation kicking off below 30 on the weekly RSI. This is something crazy, okay? And if you check it out, we have so many chances into maybe seeing an uptrend. Of course, we have the 20-day, the 50-day MA as a resistance level, but in overall, Nasdaq is looking pretty fine. So according to that, Bitcoin should pump, right? Crypto markets should be going up. There is a strong correlation with the Nasdaq. However, it is not always the case. Let's go right now to see what is Bitcoin doing. So Bitcoin right now today and over the previous days is finding the 28.7k multiple times as a support level. You can see it cannot close below the 28.7k. We had a closing condition even on 18 May where we were so bearish. We had the 28.7k. The next day we had a plus 6%, right? So every day is now going sideways, a little bit of a lower high pattern, the same low, and this is what is bothering me. To be honest with you, this possible descending triangle formation is bothering me. And of course, what I would like to see is Bitcoin going upwards. However, right now we cannot be sure and certain if we are going to see even the 31.8k. At this moment and at this rate, we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought situation. While we go down, this is not something that you want to see, right? You want to see eventually the stochastic RSI being near an oversold if you have this pattern right here. But anyway, yeah, the daily frame is not looking great. What I mean by that is that we do not have an extremely oversold situation. We can go further down. The good part with the 4-hour frame is that we might be seeing a little bit of a buying pressure on the short term. However, look at this sideways price action of BTC, right? Okay, so this is another thing that bothers me. On the RSI, we do not have any bullish RSI divergences, let's say, for example, any indication that we are bullish, totally bullish with this, okay? So for now, what I want to do is to open a little bit the parabolic SAR. Okay, you can find it right here. If you type SAR, you can see the parabolic SAR. I have it right there. You can see that right now we should be having an uptrend over the next few hours, but on sideways movement, the parabolic SAR is a little bit, I think that it is a little bit bad. On the daily frame, look at that, we are pointing upwards. Okay, we are pointing upwards, but this is not a strong uptrend. On the weekly frame though, apart from the daily frame, we are pointing downwards. Okay, this is a little bit of a lagging indicator right here, and I want you to be careful about what parabolic SAR is talking about. But at the end of the day, let's see what is going to happen. I'm very curious to see, because I really expect from Bitcoin to reach the 31.8k before going down. I really expect it to reach the 31.8k, specifically this target, because it is the most important target, and it is what actually this line, the 31.8k, is what divides the bull market through a bear market. Okay, if you check it out here on the not on the line break, actually I want to go to the baseline, okay, and you check out the weekly frame, you will see that we are having this line right here, which is at the 31.7 to 31.8k being our major resistance level right here, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach it. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go up there and reach this high for Bitcoin. Okay, 31.8k should be attainable right now, but the only problem is that I'm seeing actually a little bit of a descending triangle. If we go up here though and we go to the lines, you will see that we are not seeing the same. Okay, we are not seeing a descending triangle right now. We are not seeing something like that. Maybe a bearish pennant formation, but anyway, yeah, with the candlesticks, we are seeing that a little bit quite better. You can see on the daily frame as well, same lows and a little bit of a lower high. I have to tell you that because the market is changing every single day. So every single day we have new data going on. Okay, but to be honest with you, I'm still expecting this 31.8k. I'm obsessed with this price target, not because I have something like I want to validate myself or I want to be, right about it, but really, I trust this target and I think that we should be able to achieve that. And after we go down, maybe on the cards, it is a 33.2k as well. Now, what is the lowest we can go for Bitcoin? I think the lowest point we can go is the 21k to 22k. Around there would be the lowest point. Okay, if we go there, then just massively acquire some of Bitcoin. Okay, personally, I will do that. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Nothing of these are financial advice. It's just my personal and humble opinion. But 21.22k seems the bottom to me personally. In case we find a rejection going on, or in case we cannot go to the 31.8k that I'm expecting, all right, because yeah, I can see that the market right here is declining with lower highs. We have the same bottom. The stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation right here, and we do not react but we do not react the best way either, except that if maybe we go sideways until we see this declining again, right? I'm not sure about that, but anyway, this squeeze point is getting higher and higher right now. I think that we are going to see a volatility coming in and kicking in pretty soon enough. Look at the Bollinger Bands. You can see on the daily frame the Bollinger Bands are pointing. The bottom line is going higher, the top line is going down. Whenever we see that, okay, we expect a huge volatility. Whenever the top line approaches the bottom line, we expect a very nice volatility coming in from Bitcoin, and this is on the daily frame as well, right? So always remember that we are on the daily frame and we are seeing that. On the 4-hour frame, look at the squeeze point that we are having right now. Crazy stuff right there. But on the daily frame, yeah, we are approaching a critical squeeze point that we are going to see if we are ready to go upwards or if we are ready to drop more. On the short term right now, I'm not seeing any crazily bearish stuff. What I'm seeing right now even is that we can go potentially even higher. Okay, the problem right here is the price analysis. So what we want to see now is to get above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, especially on the 4-hour frame. Okay, if you check it out, what we are having right here is that we are getting rejected over and over again. Here we close above, but it was a sell pressure moment. Right, and we haven't seen a bullish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. Again, I know that this is tiresome. We have been on the 9th consecutive bearish week. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, I really need you to think that you're not alone in this bearish market. Everyone is in this bearish market right now, including some professional traders that might be in loss, right? Right now, these things and this crypto market is very volatile, and these are hard times for cryptocurrency market. Okay, these are hard times. Expect, for example, right here we had the bearish trap, the bear trap. Look at that. We went all the way down minus 3% in just 1 hour for Bitcoin, which is huge. And then we had a crazy buying pressure, always closing above the 28.7k, never leaving this support line, right? It is crazily how we are always doing that. And let's see how it will react. For me personally, 28.7k is the most important support level, along with the 31.8k as a resistance level. Losing the 28.7k means we go further down. Going up and going above the 31.8k means that we are very bullish. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Crazy days ahead of us. I'm going to be here to update for you everything. Do not worry about that, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Do not forget also to check and join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.